Hi, I'm Yukino. Today, I'll show you a safe way to buy authentic Japanese antique sword fittings on eBay, even when you can't inspect the item in person. This is not about blaming sellers. It's about protecting buyers from regret. First, the truth. If a listing does not show enough photos and details, I skip it. Skipping is not losing a chance. Skipping is saving your money on eBay. The best deal is the one you don't regret. Rule number 1. Choose listings with many clear photos. Front, back, side, and close-ups. I also want to see the edges, corners, and the area around the opening or holes. If it's not visible, it's a risk. Close-ups matter because small damage changes value. Tiny cracks, chips, peeling, inlay, deep scratches. These can be hidden in wide shots. A good listing shows the truth, not only the beauty. Rule number 2. Prefer listings that include size and weight. If size or weight is missing, I treat it as unknown. Unknown means danger because you can't judge balance, thickness, or presence. Weight is not just a number. It tells you how it feels in hand. When I check size, I look for length, width, and thickness. If it's a part with an opening, I want the opening size too. This prevents mistakes like it doesn't fit or it's smaller than expected. Rule number 3. Some buyers ask, can you add more photos? That's smart request. But not every seller can respond quickly. So my strategy is simple. I shopped like a person who may not get answers. I buy only listings that are already complete. Rule number 4. Check if the description matches the photos. If the text says clean, but photos show rust or damage, I skip. If the model name is unclear or the story changes, I skip. Consistency equals trust. Rule number 5. Check return policy and seller feedback. Returns and strong feedback reduced risk. Even when you buy antiques, you still deserve basic safety. You don't need to buy every listing. You need to buy the right listing. If the listing is not clear, don't force it. There will always be another chance. If you want authentic Japanese antique sword fittings with careful descriptions. Please check my eBay shop. I share more behind the scenes tips here on YouTube too. Thank you for watching.